Hi, I'm Erin Jarek, one of the academic advisors for Civil and Architectural Engineering at CU Boulder, and the purpose of this video is to help you understand the requirements to graduate with a Bachelor of Science degree in Civil or Architectural Engineering. So before you even come to CU Boulder, we have MAPS requirements. MAPS stands for Minimum Academic Preparation Standards, and these are certain courses that we expect students would have taken while in high school. If you didn't take any of those courses in high school, then you have what's called a MAPS deficiency, and that needs to be made up with college coursework before you can graduate. In engineering, the only MAPS deficiencies we really see are in foreign language and social science. You can see in your online degree audit if you have a MAPS deficiency, and if you do, you should consult with your advisor about what classes you need to take to fulfill that deficiency. Courses that you take to fulfill a MAPS deficiency can also fulfill degree requirements, often humanities and social science electives. So it's important to start early and plan ahead to make sure that you're not taking more courses than you need to. Once you get to CU Boulder, you have specific curriculum requirements, which basically means the classes that you need to take to graduate with a degree in your major. Your degree consists of 128 non-duplicative credits. And non-duplicative means, for example, if you have AP credit for Calculus 1, and then you decide to take Calculus 1 at CU Boulder, you can't count both of those toward your degree. So they need to be unique credits. In addition, the college has a rule that your last 45 credits need to be made of CU Boulder coursework only. The specific courses that are required for your major are shown on the block diagram. And if you're not sure where to find that, you can ask your advisor. The curriculum for your major includes required classes as well as several kinds of electives. And each elective has its own requirements for what courses can and cannot count. In addition, you need to meet the minimum passing grade for each course. And in our department, the minimum satisfactory grade is a C- for any course which is a prerequisite or co-requisite for another course, and a D- for any other course. In addition to passing all of the courses that are required for your degree, you also need to meet 2 GPA requirements. The one you're most familiar with is probably your cumulative GPA. Your cumulative GPA includes all University of Colorado courses taken at any campus. It also includes all attempts at a class. So if you took a class 3 times, all 3 of those grades would be included in your cumulative GPA, unless you use a specific grade replacement policy that removes an old grade from your GPA calculation. Your cumulative GPA needs to stay at or above 2.250 at all times in order for you to stay in good academic standing. And it also needs to be at least a 2.250 for you to graduate. In addition, you also have a major GPA. Your major GPA is calculated with AREN and CVEN courses only. In addition, your major GPA only includes the most recent grade that you received for a course. Your major GPA also needs to be a 2.250 or higher to graduate, but your major GPA will not affect your academic standing throughout your career at CU Boulder. In addition to the curriculum requirements, there are also some other requirements that you need to complete for your degree. All civil and architectural students are required to take the Fundamentals of Engineering exam, which is often referred to as the FE exam. The FE exam is a nationwide licensing exam and is the first step toward professional licensure as an engineer. All students are required to take this exam in your senior year, although you are not required to pass it in order to graduate. In addition, in your very last semester, you will complete the senior survey, and both of these are used to help us assess the curriculum and determine if we are teaching you what you need to know to be a successful engineer. And so that's why we require all students to complete these. The best place to track your graduation requirements is your online degree audit, which is available through the Buff portal. Your online degree audit shows all of your graduation requirements in one place. So you can see your MAPS deficiencies, all of the courses required for your degree, your cumulative GPA, your major GPA, and your FE requirement. It is your responsibility to know and make sure that you are completing all graduation requirements. Your academic advisor is here to help you, but we are not responsible for your education. We recommend that you review your degree audit regularly, at least once a semester, and contact your advisor if you have any questions. It's also important to know that you need to petition for an exception to any of the degree requirements. And you should always contact your advisor if you have any questions or need guidance on how to do a petition. I hope this video was helpful in understanding the requirements for your degree, and please contact your academic advisor with any further questions.